people run into any problems during the week, anything that they think that we can help them with, they come and ask us questions. We come with our coffees, with our smiles, and sometimes a bit baggy eyes, depending on the week. But we have a good chat and people ask questions. Good evening, everybody. It's Peter and Istvan here. Together we get together at 7:30 on Tuesdays on our talk show, what we call Cash Flow with Property. So welcome this evening. I'm glad you could join us. This evening we've got a bit of a special one because we are announcing that we are running a challenge, a 7-day challenge, which the whole aim of the whole challenge is to help people get set up, get going, and get their property businesses off the ground so they can start operating and start making some money. So without further ado, I'm going to say good evening to Peter. Good evening, Peter.
Good evening, Istvan. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, so we wanted to talk to you about this challenge because we're really excited. We put a bit of effort into putting this together. Given it's lockdown, everybody's sort of getting ready for Christmas. Sort of businesses are slowing down. Everybody's sort of getting into this mood. The lockdown is putting the mood on people a little bit. So we thought, let's shake it up a little bit. Let's help people get out of this mood of, slowing down, dark, and all the rest of it. So let's put a challenge on. Let's help people, get a bit of motivation behind themselves, and also get their businesses off the ground if they haven't done so yet. But even for people who already got their business off the ground, this would be a really good sort of push to get even better, start making more money, start getting more deals. And hopefully by that means you're going to be succeeding in achieving your goals quicker. So that's our aim with this one. So Peter, anything you want to add to that? Anything I missed? What else are we trying to do with this?
We're always covering everything perfectly, so you never give me any room to get any new. But yes, absolutely, 100% sure. We put a lot of effort in this, and we're still doing it. We still make it even better. My head is completely blown up after the day and after these last 2 weeks, because we're still doing, even though it's lockdown, we're still doing viewings, and we're still making and getting deals done. And guys, a lot of deals out there, a lot of property out there, and even though it's lockdown, but the property market is open. We can get the deals. We can pick up good deals especially for rent to rent. This is a time when landlords, agents tend to be more open towards company lets maybe, and maybe getting signed up on deals like we want deals like HMO, high Tony, like HMO deals, service accommodation deals, which is tend to be very hard to negotiate when everything is normal, and families and couples renting properties, agents and landlords tend to prefer them sometimes. But this is a time, the best time, and this is going to be the case in the next couple of months, I believe. This is a time when we can pick up very, very, very good deals, can negotiate a good rent, even rent-free periods, and all this stuff. And this is a time when we have a time to learn. And I'm sure there are a lot of good courses out there. We analyzed all the courses and systems people can have access to them, but none of the course is gonna show you and teach you that's what we're gonna show you. And also, none of the courses is created to your needs, your personal and business and financial circumstances, because it's also very important to do and choose the right strategy, the gold money and the right deals, which is suitable for you. Only the mentorships can help you with this when they really suit the whole content for yourself. But we're doing everything for free, guys, and we're gonna give everything we can.
Yeah, thanks for that, Peter. I just want to say good evening to a couple of guys. So Calvin, Tony, and Gary.
Hi, Calvin. Hi, Tony. Hi, guys.
Thanks for joining us. Good to have you on board. Yes, absolutely. So I think what you said is absolutely spot on. And what I want to add to that is, what I kind of said in the beginning is, we want to aim this at pretty much anyone. So obviously, the background for me and Peter, we have deal packaging, deal sourcing, and rent-to-own background. So that will be the aim of this. So if that is the area of the business where you're focusing on, then this is really a challenge for you. We could definitely help you take everything to the next level. So, so we want you to be, successful in property. We want you to get deals and to make positive cash flow. That's the aim of the challenge, right? So, if this is something that you're after, then this challenge is for you. So, and I think most businesses are after those things. So hopefully this appeals to everyone who's watching. And if you know someone who's probably not watching it right now, but you think that they would benefit from it, just, send them the link. We really want to help as many people as possible with this challenge. So the more people take part, the obviously the bigger help we will achieve by it. So like I say, if you don't know anyone who's interested or would be interested in this, please just pass them on to them. So so we're going to give you a little bit of detail of the challenge. We've got one more person. So Laszlo also saying, hi, good evening. How you doing? So what would be the details of this challenge? I'm sure you all want to know. So we're going to kick this off this Sunday. And for you to be able to take part, we need you to click on the link below in our lives, so in the comments, because we'd like you to sort of go through and register, so we know who's taking part. It's quite simple. And we also want you to join our group. If you haven't yet and you're watching this outside of our group, we give a lot of free content there. We do weekly lives the Tuesdays, and also we do at the very least one more on a Sunday. We do sort of live Q&A sessions with people on Sunday morning, just in case people run into any problems during the week, anything that they think that we can help them with. They come and ask us questions. We come with our coffees, with our smiles, and sometimes a bit baggy eyes, depending on the week. But we have a good chat, and people ask questions. So we will start on Sunday, and it will be basically in the group. So, and we do follow-up Q&A sessions so we're going to give our tasks in the mornings, and we'll do follow-up Q&A sessions in the evening. So what I'll do, I've just had a question from Marilyn. What link? Which link? I will post the link in the group, so you will have that in a second. Yeah. If there isn't a link, I will post it. I'm not sure where you are commenting from, but I will post a link. There is no link, Chris. Okay, we will post a link in there, Chris, as well. So where was that? Yes. So more daily tasks in the morning, and we'll do Q&A sessions in the evening. So everyone will be doing the tasks during the day, and obviously you will come up against issues, problems, obstacles, and we will discuss in the evening. So that's the whole flow of the days and the week, how we're going to do it. So I will stick the link below now, and Peter, I will let you explain people what they will actually achieve during the 7 days, and I will start putting the links below for people to sign up.
Yeah, absolutely. Very, very happy to explain. Obviously, guys, we a lot of times we told in lives and sessions we can't teach you how to become millionaire as of yet. However, we can teach you how to build a good and healthy rental and portfolio. It is an SA, so service accommodation or HMO, or if you haven't got too much capital to invest in, because obviously if you want to build up even if it's rent, you need money to invest in. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 grand. It depends on which area in the country you are, and the quality of the property and number of the rooms and all this stuff. So you're gonna need to invest in. And if you have enough funds to invest, that's great. We can show you and help you to find the really good deals, which you can analyze yourself, and you can negotiate those deals for yourself, which is very, very, very important thing. So first of all, the main thing is everybody has their dreams. Maybe you have some knowledge, maybe you learned a few things, maybe you even attended a course, or maybe you already started your business, property business. But the hardest thing is always to find, to put your strategy and find the best strategy and build up your business plan, what exactly you want. A lot of people say, yeah, I know, I heard a lot of times this, but it's so important, guys, to know where you want to go and where you want to be in the next 6 months or 1 year. And also it's very important to find your strategy. I can love a HMO, rent-to-rent HMO, but if it doesn't work on my area because of any reason, or doesn't work the type of HMO I want to do, then of course we try to help you guys to find this out before you even will put your money, invest your money in something which is might be not the best, or maybe it would work, but it would work for a different target. So let's say it wouldn't work for students, but it would work for professionals or corporates or anything like that. So regardless is service accommodation or HMO, or even if you haven't got capital to invest in, we can absolutely 100% show you how to source properties and package them to investors. And by doing so, build up your own portfolio and your own brand. That's what we did. That's what with my team, that's how we did and build up over almost 40 properties now, just over a year, 1.5 years. And I can show you this. Absolutely 100% I can show, just like Istvan, his stuff. So we learned from a lot of people, of course, during our time. So be thankful for those people. We learned a lot, and we just want to give something back, and also adding to that knowledge we had in 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago. So the knowledge we picked up, and also the experience, because we've been through bad times and good times as well. Obviously, we seen a lot of mistakes, and we made a lot of mistakes as well ourselves. So we just want to share everything with you guys and help you to avoid as much as you can. You won't able to avoid all the mistakes, but at least the very, very costly ones you can.
Yeah, absolutely. So hopefully that gives you guys a really good overview of what we intend to do, what we will help you with, and what you can actually get out of it. Because I think the most important thing out of any challenge really is what you get out of it. Now, we're not doing this for ourselves. We're doing this for you guys. We're doing it so we can help you with your business. And I think that's the important message out of this one as well. So obviously the question you're all gonna want is, what else can I get out of this, right? So we know that there's always, when it's a challenge, people like to have a little bit of prize at the end of it. So we also have a prize in this one. And hopefully you will have seen over the last couple of months that Peter and myself have accumulated a lot of knowledge. We have a fair amount of experience. We've got a lot to share. And what we want to do is we want to share a little bit more of this. So we will offer you to get a chance to win a 6-month mastermind with me and Peter. So hopefully that's something that you guys are interested in. So 6 months with us. Hopefully you're not sick of listening to us just yet. If you're in one of these, you obviously have to listen to us a little bit more. But the idea of that obviously is to help you, hold your hand, to make sure that if the challenge wasn't enough, then you got more help from us after the challenge as well.
Absolutely. Bang on, Istvan. That's exactly what we wanted to say. That's a main thing, and the most important thing to do something, and that's why it's very important every evening the question and answer, the Q&A session, because during the day, if you have any problem, any question, and then you can just stick them on the evening, and we're just gonna answer it regardless what it is. And honestly, there was I never been happier than with myself and this family. We do our plan, and we're creating all our secrets, literally all our secrets. And the best strategy we worked in terms of marketing, in terms of finding these scripts, everything. And I was so happy, like a 6-year-old child, when I really had to go into deep to find everything, because everything is there, but it's one thing to put in a paper and write everything down. Sometimes it's hard. But I'm doing my best, and all the things I can show you, and all the things which is working for me, and it did work for me for a while, and everything is going to be there. Everything is going to be included, so we don't keep anything back. And the best thing, why would we do this? Of course, we had a lot of help when we started out, and we want to give the same thing back. And also there wouldn't be a better feeling, like people telling other people and each other, oh, I came from Istvan and Peter session, and I done it. I have 4, 5, 10 properties up and running, a good cash flow. That would be the best feeling in this.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you, Andy, for a great
Thanks, Andy.
yeah, so Andy, we're already working with Andy. So if anyone needs any sort of feedback on us in terms of what we can deliver, hopefully, Andy, I'm sure I didn't discuss with him before, but I'm sure he doesn't mind hopefully putting in a good word for us, Andy. So if you need feedback or anything in the info on us, just give Andy a quick call. I'm sure he'll be happy to tell you guys. So so this is really it in a nutshell. This is what we're planning to do. And like I say, we really want as many people to take part as possible, because it's about you guys. So what do you need to do next? So I've shown up the URL to how to sign up. Andy said it's going to cost me a pint. No worries, Andy. Next time there, we'll certainly shout you a pint. So I've shown up the URL here, so you can see we kept it very simple. It's our name with .co.uk. So basically, if you just click on that, register your interest, join our group, and keep an eye out for further details. We will be sending out more details as the week goes on. But most importantly, tune in at 9 a.m. in our group for our little Sunday morning session, which we call the Sunday Roast. So now we will kick off the challenge at 9 a.m. So nice and early on a Sunday. Hopefully it's going to be a gloomy Sunday out there, so you've got nothing else to do but to sit in and listen to us. And so we will kick it off then, and the challenge will go on for 7 days after that. So I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys are as well. And like I say, if you want to join, please just click on this link, and you can see on the screen, and we will see you on Sunday. Peter, anything I've missed?
That was the only thing I didn't like at first. Because the Sunday, working on Sunday, I'm not working because it's not work. Now I'm very excited, to be honest. I'm not taking it as a work at all. But first, I'm so lazy every Sunday. So even to go to travel or anything, nothing. I'm so lazy on Sundays. So I tried to skip Sunday, but because it's a 7-day challenge, it would be so difficult to. Whichever day we start is gonna go and is gonna include one Sunday. So, but since then I'm so excited and I'm so happy. I don't even care if it's gonna be cost 2 Sundays, because we just can't wait to kick off this and start this challenge.
Yep, absolutely. Right, guys, I think that's us for tonight. We wanted to keep it short and sweet. Like I say, any questions, put some more comments or questions in the comments below. We can answer them later as well. You know where to find us. We're on Facebook all over the place. So send us a message if there's any questions. Please just message us. We'll be more than happy to help.
Yeah.
Tony is exciting. Great. Yeah, I'm sure you're excited, Tony. We are as well. Hopefully you're taking part. And Andy did agree that he will happy to speak to anyone. Thanks, Andy. I definitely owe you a beer. All right, guys, we are going to sign off with this one. Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll see you there on Sunday morning at 9 o'clock.